What time is it, my creatives? This guide is how to get started with the 175 Glamourous Textures kit, and we are going to get into it on how to open these files. So once you purchase this, you're going to add to cart, check out. We do have a new coupon code, Fantasy. Get 30% off when you spend $35. So you can add that to the cart when you check out. Make sure you use an email that you have access to, because that's going to be your account where you will receive an email link and downloads in the email. You'll have all of your files, so you can download them anytime you need to in the future. So with that being said, once it's downloaded, it's going to be on your desktop or wherever you have your downloads designated. Now, to extract the files, you have a zip folder here. You're just going to right click on it and extract to whatever the folder's name is. And then you're going to have all these files here that you can open up into Photoshop or whatever editing program, Canva, you name it. You can open up these files in there. So with that being said, this particular set does not have styles or brushes in it. So if you want to just open these up in Canva, you can open up these anywhere because these are universal. These are JPEGs. Now, initially when you open up these files, they may look smaller or tinier or not high resolution. And that's because you actually have to open them in an editing program or on your computer to see the full 100% view. So I'm just going to open up one of these into Photoshop. So how you open up these? Well, you just right click on it, open with, and then choose the program that you want to open it with. Now my particular editing program is Photoshop. So here you can go to image size. This is 12 by 12, 300 DPI. That is the size of the photo, and right now we're seeing this at 25%. Now you can add these files to any of your projects by pressing Control A, Control C, and then taking it. Let's say if you wanted to add it on a background over here, instead of having a white background, a black background, you can add it to this. Right now I'm working on a rose gold alphabet. So I'm just taking this, and you can shrink it down using the command tool, which is Control T on a PC, and whatever it is on a Mac, I believe it's Command T. So you got your marbles. You can shrink them down in here, place them on a background. Now I particularly don't like the white background on this. That's why I have the black marble, but you know, that's basically how you use that file. And so you can also use these designs in Canva. So you would just click by clicking on a design that you want to edit, or you can create a new design in Canva. I don't have Canva Pro, but there are some restrictions if you don't have Canva Pro. I personally don't like using Canva. I prefer Photoshop, but whatever floats your boat. So to upload a picture, you're going to click this upload button here in the top. I believe my left is, your left. Uploads. Click uploads. And when you click uploads, click device, and then click it, and then it's going to upload. So you can upload files like that. I do believe that Canva has a limit to the files that can be uploaded. I just want to also give a disclaimer on Canva. Usually when they upload the files, they downsample the resolution. So the resolution probably won't be as high as it would be in Photoshop, but I digress. So I'm just going to cover this pink up a little bit. Make it a little bit three-dimensional. There you go. And that's how you can add the textures to Canva and Photoshop. I hope that this tutorial helps. Thanks so much for watching, guys.